Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure prerequisites are ready, account, app version, and working internet. Once authenticated, create the primary project and assign an owner so responsibility is clear. Next, pick 3 5-task categories and a concise tag system. This reduces clutter later. Now add the first tasks with due dates and priorities. Don't overpopulate. Make sure to save and sync. This commits settings to the cloud so you can continue on other devices. Once the project exists, configure the workflow so tasks move predictably. Define statuses like to do, in progress, and done, and add one custom state if your process needs it. Then enable automation. Create reminders, recurring tasks, and status-triggered actions to cut manual work. Next, integrate your calendar, email, and file storage so attachments and deadlines sync. Make sure to map fields consistently across tools, otherwise deadlines and owners can mismatch and cause confusion. Finish by testing end-to-end. Create a test task, assign it, move it through the workflow, and confirm automations and notifications fire correctly. Then lock down permissions using reader, editor, and admin roles so people see only what they need. Finally, schedule brief weekly maintenance. Backup data, archive completed work, and audit tags to keep the system performant. If something fails, check sync logs first. Most issues are permission or integration token errors. Reconnect the service to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.